Here's a step-by-step guide to show you how to change your YouTube Shorts thumbnail after it's been uploaded. If you check a short in YouTube Studio on your computer or laptop, the thumbnail section clearly states that you can change the thumbnail using the YouTube mobile app. This procedure is the same for both Apple and Android devices. Open the YouTube app on your mobile device, not the YouTube Studio. Log into the correct YouTube account, the one where your short was uploaded. If you're not in the correct account, tap your profile picture and go to your channel. Then click on your videos and select Shorts from the top menu. Check into this section the short you want to edit. Tap the three dots on the right or long press the short. It works the same, and select Edit. Then the short editing screen will open. Tap the pencil icon on the thumbnail. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a frame bar showing all frames from your video. Use your finger to scroll left and right and choose the best frame from the video to use as the thumbnail. Once you've picked the frame you like, tap the check mark in the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it, the new thumbnail is up. Here are some common questions about changing the thumbnail in YouTube Shorts. Can I change the thumbnail again anytime? Yes, you can. It's not a one-time procedure. This is especially useful if you are trying to improve your CTR over time. This tactic is ideal if your short is designed for YouTube search and needs to stand out in results, or acts as a mini tutorial or how-to guide where a clear visual is crucial. Or maybe has a specific call to action and you want the thumbnail to highlight it. Or is part of a series and you want to update the visual style for consistency. Don't be afraid to test different frames to see which one performs best. It's a quick and effective way to optimize your content without re-uploading the short. Can I add a thumbnail to a YouTube short using a separate image? No, you cannot add external images like you can for regular videos. You can only select a frame from within the video itself. If you want to use a custom design, you'll need to embed the image as a frame during editing. Then select it manually using the YouTube app. The best placement for this custom frame is at the beginning or end of the short, as it's easier to locate during thumbnail selection. Why don't I see the pencil icon to change the thumbnail? Make sure you're using the official YouTube mobile app, not the YouTube Studio one. And unfortunately, it might not appear if you're using an outdated version of the app. Maybe you just try to update it, or the short is still processing. Another reason is maybe you're using a tablet, which may not fully support this feature. Why can't I see the short in my account? Well, you might be logged into the wrong YouTube account, or the short is still being processed. In some cases, it takes a few minutes for shorts to fully appear in your content list after the upload. I hope this tutorial helped you change the thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. Good luck with your job, and remember, success on YouTube is just one video away. Ciao!